What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I just woke up. I don't know if you can tell, but I wanted to talk about the crypto market because I'm looking at the crypto market right now, and things are looking iffy, right? You wake up in the morning and it looks like things are going your way or things are going not your way, and you never really know how the weekend's going to go. So I'm going to talk about why I believe that this weekend may actually be a decent weekend that we see instead of seeing one of those weekends that actually fall down quite a bit. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. As well as if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, definitely follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. It does help out. Now, if you guys are a big fan of Shiba Inu, we have a 24-hour live stream that's going on, and it's going to be going on for the rest of the weekend. I'm not going to stop it. Usually I let it go for the entirety of the weekend and don't like restart it over the weekend. So currently we have about 4,693 views on it. 7 new members today, or yesterday technically. 548 likes. So just continue to watch that if you guys want to go over there and support that. We do burns on that channel. This is called the Let It Burn channel. And I think the link is in the description, as well as you could just type it in YouTube and you'll get the Let It Burn channel. It'll pop up. But we're here to talk about the crypto market because as I wake up in the morning, the first thing that I check, right, is not the market in general, is checking my positions. I'm going to look at all my positions to see if they really fall in line with where everything else is. Now, a lot of things have come back. You see Krill coin that has come back quite a bit. You can see OMG and Gitcoin and Compound, all these positions that I'm holding that have come back just a slight bit. Krill coin more than others because it has had a decent size increase. It was up like 165% at one point. It might even been up a little bit higher than that. And OMG being up and Gitcoin being up and seeing that now down 4% is what it's showing here. So hopefully you guys can see this because I know I'm covering a lot of it. Let me see if I could shrink myself here so you guys can see a little bit more. So yeah, you can see all of the prices here, and you see Harvest Finance at 110. That looks like it's slightly positive. You see Krill Coin down 14%, OMG down another 2.7%, 4% for Gitcoin. So you can see all the movement here and all the negativity. Even ApeCoin is down. It's to $12.91. If you aren't familiar with the video that I posted last night, I talked about buying ApeCoin, and I now hold 50 ApeCoin instead of 25. So there probably was a bunch of people that haven't seen that. I also bought more Shiba Inu as well at some of these lower lows, and currently it's actually at a higher point. So I'm not upset at it or where it's going. So again, the first thing I look at is my account, and I look at how the market's rolling. I look to see if we see any type of positivities or positive movement. But then the next thing that I'm looking at is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin really runs the market. It really runs the entire thing. As you see Bitcoin up, typically you're going to see a lot of other coins follow in their footsteps. Bitcoin is around 44,000. So if I actually go into Bitcoin to see what the highs and lows were, it resisted hard away from 45. In the last 24 hours, you can see it have a low of 44, low 44s, and high 44s, very high 44s. 44,999 to be specific. So it's obviously at a point to where this is resisting hard away from 45, and if we see it break 45 this weekend, we could see a massive bull run, in cryptocurrencies. So when I look into this, I mean, the global market is around that 2 trillion mark, and I think we want to stay above that 2 trillion mark. There always is a possibility where we can fall below that 2 trillion mark, but as long as Bitcoin is running, it really controls 42% of the entire market, and obviously Ethereum controls quite a bit. I would say around 20%, maybe a little bit less. So with all that dominance, really you depend on Bitcoin to make these moves, and I hope that we can see massive movements over the weekend. Now, as I go into some of these prices, let's see how things are moving, whether it's positive or negative. And you see it kind of varies, right? You have Bitcoin that's slightly up by about 1%, BNB that's slightly up by a point, almost 0.5 percent. You can see Ethereum's that's down by 0.27%. Cardano, that's down, or sorry, that's up here slightly. Solana is up about down about 2.5%. Terra is down about 3%. Avalanche down about 1%. So you're not really seeing too many positive moves, but you are seeing some. You can see Cronos that's up. It's still up at that 45 or close to 46 level. I don't even know if they actually had. Yeah, they resisted at 47 from the last thing that I've seen. So the entire market, as we look through it, is, kind of iffy. And I think this weekend we're going to see something. We could possibly see something today. I'm thinking Sunday we would actually see something go into the next week because last week we had Saturday that blew up. And I think there's definitely a change because this week that we had was very positive, to tell you the truth. A lot of things were moving in the right direction, especially things like Krillcoin, things like Bitcoin, things like Gitcoin. Ethereum is over 3,000. So things were moving in the right direction for cryptocurrency. And when we look at history and how the weekend has been rolling, it hasn't been a positive thing over the weekend. But last weekend we saw Saturday blow up and really start this movement here, this bullish movement. And then during the week, we started to see more positivity. But then as we got, towards Friday started to, fall off. It was increasing in the beginning of the day, but then started to fall off at the end of the day. And you saw the stock market actually follow in those footsteps as well. But then as we look through, again, Saturday and Sunday, today is Saturday, tomorrow looking at Sunday, I think we should see some positivity going through this weekend. I think we should see some sort of a bull run. I hope that I'm right here by looking at the market and saying that we will see Bitcoin break through that $45,000 level, and see Ethereum make some moves as well, and see a lot of these other altcoins make some larger moves today or this weekend, I guess. So let me know what you think about the stock market, or sorry, let me know what you think about the crypto market. Is the crypto market going to see some sort of a bull run? Do you think that, all of these positions here are going to see massive levels, some of their highs, or maybe mid levels, especially with like Shiba Inu? We want to see that break the 3,500 level. I don't know if that will happen this weekend, but we will see, I think, some sort of an increase back up over the 2,500 level, and hopefully well above that, and can break the 3,000 level at least this weekend. So let me know what you're thinking. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. I appreciate all of you guys for watching and just being a part of my content, because I invest in crypto because I love it. I invest in a lot of things because I love it, and I'm glad that you guys are supporting it in such a big way. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one.